Well, he attack me. But Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
Yeah, man, now move settings nation. And we no need no ladder. Now welcome to the channel. Yeah, man, Jaden Chase, another one that we're going to bring another breaking story on the topic of current affairs. So if you're new to the channel, just a pass through. But you like the reason and of course you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then kick in the like button. Now let's get right into the reasoning. Now nation, Andrew Holness and the Jamaican government is facing heavy backlash from Joe Biden and his led administration in North America. The State Department said the Andrew Holness led administration has failed to meet the standards set for human safety and trafficking regulations. As a state, we have failed to meet the minimum requirement, and Jamaica is definitely in the spotlight right now, as Joe Biden personally awarded a Jamaican for her contribution to their healthcare system. Jamaica is in North America's spotlight right now. I'm going to see what we continue the reasoning.
Sandra immigrated to Queens, New York from Jamaica when she was 18 years old. Over the past, I don't believe this, 30 years, she doesn't look 30 years old, she's pursued her dream of becoming a nurse to allow her to do what she wanted to do most, give back to her new country. She earned a bachelor's degree, then a master's degree, then a doctorate degree, and her citizenship. And now she's director of nursing for critical care at a hospital on Long Island. And during the height of the pandemic, she poured her heart and soul into the work to help patients fight for their lives and to keep her fellow nurses safe. With a grandson at home prematurely, she did what she had to do. She kept her distance and kept him safe.
Yes, nation. Now let's continue the reasonings. Now I wonder if you know, it's instances like this and situations like this that push first world countries and the UN to impose certain embargoes and restrictions on countries, and because they don't meet certain standards of certain things, you know, where the government do can affect every citizen living on the island, directly and indirectly. Remember, the people must say, yo, we're country to meet the minimum standard for human trafficking regulations. Means majority of our children that we see across social media, across the national news, saying missing, and we wonder where them gone. And we always hear some talk, oh, a man them gonna look for. Maybe, but why them not come back home? And why them man where them go look for feel like say, alright, she come look for me that time, and now make sure go home and can come look for me again. Nothing of the sort. Some of these girls are missing because they are no longer on the island and have been sent to other countries against their will, not by choice. And the State Department is saying that they made this report to our government during the time when this same administration was in power, and nothing has been done. And they have noticed that they have secured another election for themselves, and still to date nothing has been done. Means them they even create a task force, it look like, because these are some of the requirements when them say you put measures in place, because them know you can't go out, they go stop it, but put measures in place. Now someone also pointed out something that's very interesting. Majority of these things have to be done by bigger heads. People can't even safely move around goods and commerce on the island, much as move around people. You know, when people want to leave the island right now, they say a boat them catch some man power day. And we never hear them find a boat full of youth. That means that the people who want to move these people have the right connections in place. North America say the JCF are a part of it. It must be so. Because I'm going to tell you, a man can't move a truck full of yam from Trelawney to Kingston without it being stopped numerous times. And the back of a whoop and people have looking there. Oh, you're going to move around so much people? Or them have to move them one at a time? No, these people are heavily connected with the right individuals to move through anything they want to move through. So of course, me agree say yo, the bigger heads definitely involved. If North America, I say yo, JCF members are involved, and obviously big wigs have to be involved because somebody have to pay. And money I do it, you know. And money I do it. So somebody, if you pay somebody, means say wealthy people have to be involved. And truth be told, there are local entities who have said this. And I'm the first to hear about it. Remember one time them start to talk about Black Art, man. And some people say, yo, don't get that something confused and twisted in. That was just a name for traffickers. People that traffic people. Take with people and carry them, but they just send them all over the world. So we are send them and say, yeah. And it was well known by, certain individuals in the streets. You don't know something go. Recently, we started to see this whole heap of missing. On the social media, people speculated that this is not by coincidence. It look like these people are being sent to other places. So the JCF had many reports, not just from people, regular citizens, but from entities, established people who did it for the welfare and the protection of youth and people overall. Did I say them feel like this are going on? And as to it, North America say nothing was done. Nation, is your safety being played second fiddle to the government's agenda? Yes, it is. Yes, it, and you should be outraged. Your safety should not be playing second fiddle. I say, why for the second fiddle? Your safety should be one of the most important things. While dwelling anywhere, whether you're in your own country or somebody else's country, your safety should be of primary importance. And we say we need another foreign entity for forward again. Come tell we say what you know. We no need to fix this for our own people. It's a sad situation. And every day man I come tell me about mask this and mask that and mask up and restrictions from this and protocol with them put in place and all kind of madness. Warm to this. They must say school are going to reopen. You don't know what that mean. You don't know what that mean. That mean the missing thing them are going to go up. If at this present moment the youth not really leave the community that much, because I learn from home thing are going on right now, and you still have them are go missing. Imagine when they have a reason for you leave out from 7 to how much in the evening or in the night. If this thing is not addressed right now, as the teacher did say in our song, from in the 70s the politician plant the seed and society a harvest problems with them no need. This is something them have to fix. This is definitely something with them have to address. It can't just go so. It can't just be something we look upon our ear and we say, yo boy, that mean and that they take place. But that was one time. No, because these things continue to reoccur. And on a one-off instances. And just like this happened 20 years ago. No, this has started to happen on day-to-day basis. And North American experts are explaining to us why it happens on a regular basis. It's because the money is involved. And the people who have been tasked with your security are also involved. And the people who pass legislation, the big wigs, the money makers on the island are also involved. So you see the situation where it take place. If citizens are unwilling to voice their outrage, nothing will be done. Nothing will be done. And this is the primary concern to every citizen because we all have youth. So that's something they got already. And who not have youth, I look forward to having youths. So this is something of concern to everybody. Now I mean, even if I visit the island, because you can visit and these things take place too. This will slow up tourism. Now I mean, and we know them are always concerned about tourism, so maybe I start with them to think about. I'm making them look back on the footage and they will continue reasoning.
She can now hug her grandson. She's out there making sure her patients and folks in her community are getting vaccinated so they can get back to their lives and their loved ones. Sandra, if there are any angels in heaven, as I told you, having spent a lot of time.
Yes, viewers and subscribers, you know there's something going on. For those who don't, yeah man, now move settings, but first and foremost drop a like and bust a share on the video. Know what I mean? click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon and put it on all. This is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. As long as you say, like and share. That's why you can tell a friend, tell them, sister, and them brother them. But check out the channel, check out the reasoning. Join the discussion, comment section open 24/7. Never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, you can drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. And we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. You know that's something they got already. Comment section is open 24/7. Never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions there. North America point out to your leaders have failed us in the worst way. Fail us where security for our youth is concerned. Now I mean, that's not a good look. But you know there's something go talk to me in the comment section. And the reason again, live, love, and prosper.